How to loop a live photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. As you can see, this is a live photo. Then, tap on the Live button at the top left corner of the photo as shown. Here, you can view all the effects available. You can try out all the effects from here. For example, loop, bounce, long exposure or more. Now, select loop from the options. Following these steps, you can easily loop a live photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.